Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube. It's JJ and I hope you had a wonderful week. Thank you so much for your views and likes, and as promised, I am bringing another video on the products that have been instrumental in my hair growth journey. I can't say with certainty that these products grew my hair, but they definitely contributed to my healthy hair. I am grouping my products into shampoos, conditioners, oils and essential oils, age control, and finally, miscellaneous products. The key to length retention is moisture. If your hair is dry, it will break. For that reason, I limit my shampoo use and try to utilize shampoo alternatives such as using aloe vera gel. I try my best to make sure that the shampoos I use are moisturizing. My favorite shampoo for a long time was this olive oil by Original Root Stimulator. I usually dilute my shampoo with water, as you can see here. I also have this sulfate-free shampoo by TGIN that I bought in the August of 2021. It's almost a year, guys, and I haven't even opened this shampoo. This is because in addition to my limiting shampoo use, the company sent me a small free shampoo sample that I have been using. And if you're not sure whether your shampoo is moisturizing, you can always add a little bit of oil, such as olive oil, to your shampoo before use. After shampooing, you always have to use a conditioner. Conditioners replenish your hair's natural oils. I use a conditioner before and after shampooing, and for that reason, I ran out of conditioner so fast. Today, I only have this macadamia natural oil moisturizing rinse conditioner to show you, but I generally use conditioners by Sheer Moisture, TGIN, and Africa's Best. I always deep condition my hair after washing, and hair mayonnaise has been my deep conditioner of choice for over 10 years. I still use it today. It's cheap, smells good, and always leaves my hair soft. Recently, I have been exploring the TGIN line of products, and I have been using their deep conditioner as well, and I can say they really moisturize your hair. Leave-in conditioners are important for wash and goes. I'm not a wash and go person, but this is something I'm also exploring. I am using TGIN line of leave-ins for this purpose. I did my first wash and go sometime this year, and it went pretty well. As I learn more, I will update you guys. I also use daily moisturizing butter in my hair, and I have only tried one by TGIN. I use them for twist outs or sometimes to lay my hair flat, but I have to modify them because they are so thick. I will make a separate video about this. And now let's talk about oils and essential oils. I love oils so much because they lock in moisture in your hair. I have a closet full of all types of oils, and I think it will be fair to have a separate video for just oils and essential oils. I add oils to my deep conditioners, daily moisturizers, and even to my lotions. To mention a few, my favorite carrier oils are castor oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. Castor oil is so viscous, and it's said to stimulate hair growth. I only apply castor oils to my scalp directly because of its thickness. Don't use castor oil on its own because it's going to dry your scalp. Add either olive oil, coconut oil, macadamia oil, or any other oil. The carrier oils can be used alone or with a few drops of essential oils. Some of my favorite essential oils include tea tree oil and eucalyptus oil. Again, I will make another video about carrier oils and essential oils because I have so many of these. Age control has been so instrumental in growing my edges and my nape area. To learn more about how I use age control, watch my video on how to grow your edges and the nape area. Lastly, guys, I have some miscellaneous products such as glycerin, rose water, and vitamin E. Out of these, glycerin is my most important. Glycerin draws water, and Anything that has glycerin is a good moisturizer. During winter, I add glycerin to my body lotions to prevent my skin from drying. I also add glycerin to either distilled water or rose water and use it as sprays for my cornrows. When it comes to vitamin E, I feel like it's not necessary since vitamin E is added to most skincare products. Vitamin E is an antioxidant which is good for the skin but also acts as a preservative in oil-based products. I buy vitamin E because sometimes I purchase raw oils with no preservatives. Therefore, I add vitamin E to extend their shelf lives. One thing I forgot to mention for oils, guys, is that whenever you buy your oils, make sure it says cold pressed. When oils are extracted by cold pressing, important nutrients are preserved. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you use any of the products that I have shown and how they work for you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice week.